New platform aims to reduce operator workload while enabling coordinated drone response at scale. Skyfire AI has announced an $11 million seed funding round to accelerate development of its AI driven platform for autonomous, multi drone operations. The round was led by Mucker Capital, with participation from AI Fund, SaaS Ventures, and others. The Huntsville, Alabama based company is focused on building software that allows public safety and defense organizations to deploy and manage drone operations with greater speed, coordination, and efficiency. The platform is designed to support mission critical use cases such as 911 response, search and rescue, and critical incident monitoring. From pilot-centric to mission-centric operations, today, most drone programs remain heavily dependent on human pilots. Each aircraft typically requires direct control, which can limit scalability and consistency across operations. Skyfire AI's approach centers on what it describes as AI native autonomy, shifting the role of personnel from piloting drones to overseeing outcomes. Today's operations are still pilot centric. Every mission requires direct human control, which limits scale and consistency, said Matt Sloan, Chief Strategy Officer. Under this model, missions can be pre planned or triggered automatically. The system can navigate to a location, avoid obstacles, and prioritize areas of interest using real time decision making. Instead of flying a single drone, operators act more like mission managers, supervising multiple assets at once. This shift could be particularly relevant for agencies with limited staffing resources. Scaling without adding personnel. One of the primary challenges in drone operations today is the need for one pilot per aircraft. Even with regulatory waivers, this model creates practical limits on how many drones a team can manage. Skyfire AI's platform is designed to reduce that constraint by automating key operational tasks. The biggest constraint today is not the aircraft, it is the human workload, Sloan said. The system uses AI to maintain awareness across multiple drones, manage flight paths, and adjust missions in real time. This orchestration layer is intended to allow a single operator to oversee several drones safely. CEO Don Mathis emphasized the operational impact. Right now, scaling a drone program usually means hiring more pilots. That is expensive, hard to sustain, and slows adoption. By enabling one-to-many operations, the platform aims to expand coverage and response capacity without increasing headcount. Coordinated multi-drone response. A key focus of the platform is enabling coordinated multi-ship operations, where multiple drones work together rather than operating independently. This approach allows for simultaneous coverage from different vantage points. For example, one drone could map an area while another tracks movement, and a third provides situational awareness to responders. When you move from a single drone to coordinated systems, you shift from isolated data points to a shared understanding of an environment, Sloan said. The ability to coordinate multiple aircraft in real time is difficult to achieve through manual control alone. Autonomous systems are intended to manage that complexity in the background. Use cases include search and rescue, where multiple drones can divide large areas efficiently, and fire response, where continuous visibility is critical. Building for future regulatory frameworks. While fully autonomous operations remain limited under current regulations, industry direction appears to be moving toward greater flexibility. Skyfire AI's leadership pointed to the anticipated Part 108 framework as a potential enabler of more scalable operations. Current regulations still limit full autonomy, and one-to-many operations are only beginning to emerge through waivers, Sloan noted. The company says its platform is designed to operate within today's constraints while preparing for future regulatory changes. A systems-based approach. Skyfire AI positions its platform as a shift away from hardware-focused solutions toward a broader systems approach. Rather than emphasizing individual drone capabilities, the company is focused on integrating planning, deployment, and operational oversight into a single software layer. Mathis described the goal in operational terms: Public safety teams do not need more technology to manage, they need outcomes. The platform is intended to reduce operational complexity while improving response times and situational awareness. The funding will support continued development of the platform, expansion of the company's team, and additional deployments with public safety and defense organizations. As drone programs continue to evolve, the shift from pilot driven operations to coordinated, software managed systems may play a key role in enabling broader adoption, particularly for agencies seeking to scale without significantly increasing resources.